locally, April 19th is International Day of the Child, and this morning the Turks and Caicos Islands government signed a document to show its commitment to ensuring the laws regarding child safety are modernized. Let's take a look. The Minister of Health and Human Services, the Honorable Dr. Lillian Boyce, signed a document which ushers in a new era for law practices and policies as it relates to the welfare of children. The signing took place at Beaches, Turks and Caicos, between the minister and UNICEF, which is the United Nations Children's Fund. The minister explained that it is the government's mission to modernize the legal framework and be a pace-setter when it comes to the rights of all its people, which includes the smallest, children.
I have always maintained that in a very real sense, a country is judged by the quality and the currency of its legislation. Simply put, it becomes increasingly difficult to run a modern country with outdated laws and old policies.
The team from UNICEF Barbados has been here for 3 days now and has completed a media workshop on how to report on situations where children are involved. On this final day, Lisa Trotman spoke to key players in developing the action plan for child protection in these islands.
It's a sign of collaboration between the country and UNICEF in the areas which we had, which we support for early childhood development, social policy, advocacy, and partnerships for children's rights, HIV prevention and life skills, and child protection.
With the protocol signed, the planning begins, and workers from Social Services Department, Youth Department, the Human Rights Commission, our magistrate, the hospital, and the governor's office will work through it and then form a multidisciplinary commission on child abuse.
Because we are strengthening our laws, standards, and policies as it relates to child abuse, and because we have the benefit of so many bright minds in this room working together, we now have a first-class opportunity to be a leader in the Caribbean and the world as it relates to formulating new policies in this regard.
It was shared that every 5 years, UNICEF spearheads an upgrade of the laws connected to children and their rights. This new framework is called the Protocol for the Prevention, Reporting, Investigating, and Management of Child Abuse and Neglect.
We hope that you would give us your full support and commitment in taking this agenda forward.
Media partners on Thursday learned that the Convention on the Rights of the Child, or CRC, was signed in 1989 and that it is the most widely ratified treaty in the world.